Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the ambulance, Dodge ambulance. So first of all, take your clippers and let's clip away. So let's do the back one here. Take the clippers, go like that, and go like that. Then just grab this support plastic there. In this wheel wells, just kind of peel them out. The way I do that is, well, the way I'm showing you it, just kind of grab, twist, just get that plastic out of there. You can use these clippers for this task. Or if you find it better, you can get some sanding supplies for that. For now, for this assembly video, I'm just using the clippers for this task. Kind of getting all that crud out of there. We're not done yet. We're now gonna do this one. There you go. Just gotta get some of that extra support plastic out of there. Okay, so we're not done. We're going to get these pieces now. Just peel these away like that. That looks pretty good. All right, you're done with that. Next. Yep. Also, it's recommended that you wear glasses. Safety glasses. Sometimes these little pieces can fly. You don't want them to fly quickly into your eye or something. Yep, just be clipping away there. Cut it. So that's all the clipping away of that model. Take all these little extra plastic pieces, put it off to the side. So next, let's go ahead and get this piece all glued there. Get some glue and put some glue in each spot there. Then you can put this piece like that. So, yep, that is how that piece should look. We are not done. There's a few more things to do. Let's go ahead and glue on all the tires. So, first of all, just put a little bit of glue there. Then you can just take a tire, put it there. And that's done. Then you can take some glue, put it on these axles. And then just make sure that the axle is in the center of where the tire will go. There you go. Now let's do the other side. Make sure that axle's in the center of the where there should go, and then there's this one. Very good. We're not done. Let's take some glue. Put it like that. And then just put this piece like that. That's how that piece should look. Kind of a step. Something like that. And these pieces, if you buy in the tiniest scale, potentially they might not even be able to be printed. But if you buy in a larger scale, probably be able to be made. And yep. There you go. There's the Dodge ambulance from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.